Distributed ledger. The disadvantages of a single ledger are obvious. For example, in the Smurf village, Papa Smurf is the practical village leader for all Smurfs. He manages all the affairs of the Smurfs, including the transaction record in the ledger. Every Smurf will need to report their transactions to Papa Smurf for him to record in the ledger. However, this method isn't 100% secure or trustable. Papa Smurf may be ill and forgot to record the transactions of the Smurfs. Maybe Papa Smurf was drunk and recorded the wrong transaction item. It is also possible that after baby Smurfette dating with brainy Smurf, then she secretly helps him to modify his transaction so that he will pay less to clumsy Smurf. This is the biggest problem with a centralized single ledger. Over-reliance on the center and authority caused the Smurfs to gradually lose power. To combat the weaknesses of getting a single ledger, each Smurf distributed a ledger, and every Smurf recorded every transaction. This is the concept of the distributed ledger. In other words, the ledger is distributed on the network. In this way, there's no single copy of a single center, and there aren't any specific rules to alter the ledger. Thanks to the effect of decentralizing the authority, the system is more robust. The nodes of the distributed ledger are distributed in different places and are independent. All nodes will maintain a common ledger, thus avoiding a single ledger from being controlled or modified. Because the ledgers are distributed in many different nodes, unless all nodes are destroyed, the integrity of the account data is guaranteed. Distributed ledger seems to solve the single ledger weaknesses. But how to ensure that the ledger between nodes can be shared, replicated, and synchronized with each other? This is another key concept in blockchain technology that I will introduce.